Okay, so how to take a screenshot in Premiere Pro. So to take a screenshot, you find a place you would like to take a screenshot. I would like to take mine from here. Okay. Just if I want to take my screenshots from here, what I'll just do is that I'll just click on my clip, then I'll look for export frame here. If you can't find your export frame here, you click on this button here. Click on this, then you look for export frame. This is export frame. You drag and you drop it here. The moment you finish dragging and dropping here, make sure you select OK. Click on OK. If you click on OK, then make sure your clip is selected. Then you go back here. You export the frame. You can export it to the format PNG or JPEG, whichever one you want. PNG, JPEG, whichever one you want. Then the part you want it to save, you can browse and you can click on browse. Then it's up to you. Save it wherever you want to save it. You select your folder, then make sure that it's up to you. Import into projects. Okay, this import into project means, do you want to work with the image that you screenshotted in Premiere Pro again? Then if yes, you click on import project and you select OK. And this is the screenshot here. You can drag and drop it here. So let's see. You can see it plays to the screenshots. It plays to the screenshots. It plays to the screenshots. So that's how to screenshot in Premiere Pro.